Yes, it's Chloe, and she is one of Bluey's best friends. We'll put the BFFs together and choose our next one to make. This one looks like Bluey and Bingo. Let's find out which friend this is. Black is the color of this pup. Do you know which of Bluey's school friends is black and looks a little bit like her? I don't know, so let's push in our cutter and make this friend then. We can decorate him to see. I think this type of dog is a border collie, which is similar to a healer. Border collies are used to move sheep for farmers, whereas healers move cattle, so they do similar jobs, don't they? And we're ready to decorate. Do you know this pup's name? Shout it out and tell me if you know.